The Amphenol PCD Luminus series are lightweight, cost-effective connectors ideal for applications requiring high reliability, such as the aerospace and defense industry. The simple scoop-proof circular design with either a twist and lock or push and pull mechanism makes connector mating easy, while the use of a positive click action clearly indicates when connectors are properly mated. Connectors are offered in various types and shell sizes, with multiple inserts and contact configurations for signal, power, and hybrid connections to address a wide range of application requirements. Various keying options ensure proper mating, and accessories are available to tailor the solution to the application. The support for a minimum of 500 mating cycles, combined with the IP67 rating and support for demanding mil-spec standards, makes the Luminus series suitable for numerous environments, including commercial and military aerospace, soldier communications, and more.